Hey folks, Chris here. We're at Tully today, and we've got another big job for the people that own the horse arena. As you can see behind me, we've got some Gleo caps of magma that's grown on and stuck pretty hard, so it's going to be a bit of a job cleaning that. But once again, this is colour bond, so no more than 2% SH. We're going to start at 1% today and see how we go, and hopefully we can break through it. We're using our super duper bubblegum wash, BGW, so we're expecting to get a good result with that. You can see here that at 1% you're still getting a kill. You don't need to nuke everything with 2 or 5% like some guys do. It's been sitting there for only seconds, so when you have a good surfactant like BGW, it makes whatever SH you're using stick to the working surface. It's not just running down onto the ground and killing everything on the ground. You want it on the working surface, and if you see behind me here right now, it's already cleaning up. So that's probably a minute. So when we treat, we leave on for 30 minutes, 20 minutes in summer and 30 in winter, and that's 1% SH on a grotty job like this. Just pan down that way, Adam. You don't need to nuke everything if you've got a good surfactant. Okay, so I've just finished applying to this wall. We'll give this 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and rinse it and touch up any spots like this here with another application in here. But if Adam pans down the wall, you can see that it's cleaning up pretty well already. Again, you don't need to nuke everything with SH. For those that don't know, chlorine, SH is the active ingredient in chlorine. The maximum SH allowed on colour bond according to BlueScope is 2%. Anything more than that and you void the warranty and you'll damage the coating. And for those coatings that are already oxidised, 2% will strip it back. So gently with oxidised colour bond, and you get results like this without having to nuke everything. And it takes an extra 20 minutes, 30 minutes on the job, but I'm sure your customers out there would rather us spend an extra 30 minutes without burning your property. Just a little bit of a mistake that Adam and I made. Well, I made. Adam had already put surfactant in the tank, and then I went and doubled it up. So to show you the difference in what happens when you use too much. Like with bubblegum wash, it was totally designed for our own personal use in our own business. We were never intended to sell it, so it was always made for performance first. And this is what happens if you use too much. So this batch had 200 mils in a 200 litre tank. And as you see, I'm rinsing, there's not much residue. Hardly any bubbles. Now we come on this side, and I've already rinsed this wall down once. So you can see by the amount of bubbles that's still on the surface that I've got a lot of rinsing to do. So as with all good stuff, more isn't always the best. Just less is more in this case. We're going to be here for at least an extra hour and a half rinsing now because of my stuff up. 200 mils is the max you put in a 200 litre batch tank, not 400 like this knucklehead. So it's been about half an hour, maybe a bit more, 40 minutes since we treated this wall here. And as you can see, the 1% SH has done a good job. We've just got a few spots that need to be touched up where it's thicker in areas. And down there, Adam. So we'll give this a quick rinse, and then we'll just reapply in those areas and touch it up. Another 20 minutes and we should be out of here. There you have it, folks, we're all done. Took a couple of coats to clean up this back wall and the side one, but we'd rather do it the right way than risk oxidising customers' property. So hand down. There you have it. It's soft washing at 1% on Colorbond using our super soft wash surfactant BGW and our BGW and Mauler.